Welcome back to the Handwriting OT. Today we're going to learn the capital letter P. The P is a jump frog letter that begins up in the starting corner. We need a big line and a little curve to make our P. So today we're going to use our chalkboard and the wet, dry, try method. We need our chalkboard, chalk, wet sponge, and paper towel. So let's get started. In the starting corner, we're going to start with our big line down. We're going to jump frog up to the top and make a little curve, just like that. Next, we'll take our small sponge, big line down, jump frog, little curve. And then to dry it, we'll take our paper towel. Big line down, jump frog, little curve. And then to practice again, we'll start back up in that starting corner. Big line down, jump frog, little curve. So for those of you who might have students who have difficulty knowing where to start and stop, you can always put a dot at the top and at the middle to give them somewhere to aim. So subscribe to the Handwriting OT for more videos and tips, and we'll see you soon.